That's what I hear, your hiccups. What are you saying?
Listen.
What are you saying?
Fuck you. Listen. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Guys, I forgot my shift at the ticket taking stand starts in 5 minutes, so I have to go behind the counter.
Where? Oh. Where do you have to go?
Okay. Oh no! No!
I'm gonna pass.
My glasses.
What you're about to do?
No, I have to go home.
My glasses
Not going
broke.
home.
My glasses
Just
broke.
class. I'm smoking.
Who cares? They're a piece of shit. Can I step on them? No, put them down.
Let's just go.
My
Okay,
glasses
but watch me
broke.
step on them. Ready? Ready? Put them down.
No, I don't want you to break them. I can fix them. Andrea, stop. Andrea, if you
Put them
step
down.
on me.
No, I'm gonna step on
No, Andrea, I don't want you.